Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 2 2009 model. We just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. As you can see the vehicle is in Type 2. We're gonna paint this alloys in gunmetal grey. We're going to paint this whole car in company paint booth. As you can see this is stock interior which comes in Type 2. We're gonna change the interior as per new theme. Steering will be in wooden with hand stitched genuine leather. Steering will be in composite leather. Gear knob, handbrake, center console will be in leather. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you. Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 2 2009 model which just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. As earlier video you saw that the car was in grey color. We have painted this whole car in Crista bronze in a company paint booth. As you can see the finishing. As per customer request, we have painted the show grille in black. We have installed a projector headlight with sequential DRL. We have painted the alloys in gunmetal grey. Side mirror in glossy black. You see the seat covers. And the rear, we have replaced the bumper. Tail light is in LED. So if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai. Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है धावल और मैं ऑटो राउंडर से हूँ। ये है डॉक्टर निखिल, ये पुणे के बहुत बड़े ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन हैं। डॉक्टर सर आप बताइए
अभी ऑटो राउंडर्स के लिए क्या बोलना है। एक्चुअली एवरीबडी नोज द टाइप ऑफ वर्क एंड द फिनिशिंग क्वालिटी you are the best, there is no doubt, everybody already know, but what I feel the most important is knowing customer demands and making it happen into an absolutely flawless job. That's more important. Hats off to you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, वी होप टू सी यू सून। टेक केयर, बाय बाय एवरीवन, स्टे इन टच।